All right, dolls and gents, welcome back, and I'm bringing you another protective hairstyle. Yes, so I took the other new locks out, and I did have a lot of new growth. I did have a lot of shedding because prior to doing that style, I had bleached my hair. So I had a lot of shedding, but I have a lot of new growth. Like it's black at the roots and then the blonde. So there's a lot of new growth. I'm going to continue to let it grow out. And I'm just going to keep trimming the ends as I go and get that color to grow out of there and get back to the healthy hair. I did perm my hair. I feel like that's why I had a lot of breakage and shedding too. For some reason with my hair, even though I don't wear it, I still have to perm it. If I don't perm it, it starts to break off no matter what I do. So I can go about 5-6 weeks, but I need to perm my hair. So I'm going to mark on the calendar. I perm my hair 2 days before getting the braids. So I know when I need to do it again. I'll probably keep this in for about 2 months. So when I take this out, I know it's time to perm my hair again. I know it's always natural to get some type of shedding, but I'm trying to keep my hair at a certain length. I don't wear my hair, but I like to have hair underneath. And as I've gotten older, my stress levels, my hair seems to not want to be growing right in the middle. In the top, in the middle, it's long, shoulder length in the back, but in the top, it's like probably about this high. And that's my stress spot. And so, like I told you before, I went back to the grease. Oh, she put the grease up. I did go back to the Dax. I was looking for that bergamot grease somebody suggested. And then also an avid follower of mine told me about the shea butter. They said to get it in the oil for the middle part of my hair. So I'm headed to the hair store now because I'm out of edge control. I'm out of jam. She used it, and that was okay. I knew I needed to get some more. So I'm out of edge control. So I'm going to the hair store when I finish this video to grab. I wish I could find that edge control that I really, really liked. I can't remember which one it was, and I showed it in an empties video a couple of months back, and I can't even find the video for some reason, but I know I did the video. So I'm going to try to go through my videos on YouTube and see if I can find the edge control that I really like so I can look for it in the store. There's another edge control that's supposed to be like growth for your edges, but I don't be believing all that stuff. I just don't. At night, before I go to bed, I put my hair growth stuff in and I put my cap on. I don't put the oils on in the daytime because sometimes they could run down like the wild growth and it'll get on your shirt or your clothes and you're at work and you got oil. So I do it at night. I don't mind about it getting on my pillowcases and stuff or my satin cap. So I'm not so much worried about edge controls for grow your edges because all that stuff. I'm back to old school Dax grease, grease pomade, the shea butter oil. I will try if I can find it. I may have to look on Amazon if the hair store doesn't have it. Yeah. So to the hair. I have been dying to get the butterfly locks. The girls down here are charging $200 to $250 to get the butterfly locks. I am so happy that it is now created in a crochet because I'm the crochet queen. The problem the lady had with crocheting this in was, I'm going to tell y'all if y'all get this even if you do it yourself, the loopholes that you put the crochet through to pull the hair through is very small. You want to stretch the loop before you crochet the hair into the person's head. Stretch the loop. Because do you see these butterflies? I guess these are the butterflies. Do you see the butterflies? The loop is so small that when you're trying to pull it through, the butterflies get stuck. So it took her, I would say she spent an extra 30 minutes with me. Normally she's done with these crochets in about 3 hours. She was here for like 3.5 hours, which is no problem. But she was trying to figure out how to get it through the hole. The first 2 or 3, she was like, oh, I'm going to have to stretch these holes to pull it through without getting it stuck or hurting you. And she wanted, it needs to lay flat. So if you're going to try this style, if you're going to get this, the loopholes to the Bobby Boss one is very small. Now, the Janet collection, my store, had the Janet collection. The reason why I didn't get the Janet collection is because you got 1 row of hair, One roll of hair was like, I'm gonna go in there and try to take a picture for y'all because I'm headed there now. One row of hair was like 6 of these. It was $10.99 a pack. So I was gonna spend $60, close to $70 for 6 packs. And it still probably wouldn't have been enough for my head. Janet, whoever you is, Janet Collection Hair. That's ridiculous. You don't even give enough hair in the pack. I'm talking about these strands. There was only like 6. Period. Okay? I would try to take a picture for y'all. So I was in there, I was like, dang, this is not going to be enough hair. I don't want to spend $100 on hair and I got to pay her to do it. So I ended up getting this Bobbi Boss 3 times Cali Butterfly Locks in 18 inches. This was 3 times the hair, so it said. I got 2 packs. It was $25 a pack, $24.99 a pack. I say, well, I might as well spend $50 and get these packs. And I should have took a picture before, but I might take a picture for the thumbnail when I go back to the store. It was big old jumbo pack of hair. I told the lady when she came, I said, when you braid my hair down, give me medium-sized braids so you don't run out of hair. Because the smaller they braid the smaller your cornrows, the more hair you're going to need. I did not want to have to run back to the store and get hair. I said I should have grabbed 1 pack of the Janet just in case, and I didn't, but this was more than enough. So it was 2 packs of hair for $24.99 at my beauty supply store. I don't know what your beauty supply store gonna charge. In the Bobbi Boss, they did not have blonde, so I went with the red. I just think darker hair makes me look older. Y'all tell me what y'all think. The sun's going down, but I'll try to step outside at the end of the video. Darker hair makes me look older, but I can pull it off. Plus, this was T1B burgundy, and I was mad because I wanted burgundy. I didn't want no 1B. I want no black at all. Burgundy. He didn't have it. So I got the T1B burgundy. Now, in the Janet collection, he did have blonde in the 24 inches. And now that I see how this is, see where it stops at? I really could have went for the 24. If I get it done again, and I'm loving this. I'm loving this a little bit more than the one I just had in. But I'm going to have to do it when I get a raise. Because if I get it done again, I want 24 inches. I did not see 24 inches in the multi-pack. I did not see 24 inches in this multi-pack. So that means that I'm going to have to pay $11 a pack. And Lord only knows how many packs of hair I'm going to need. I may have to try Amazon or another beauty supply store to get the 24 inches in blonde or red. Because I didn't see the 24 inches I saw in blonde by Janet. You did not get enough hair in that pack. You did not. I don't even know how that's selling. I don't even know how that's selling. If it was like $6.99 a pack, okay, $5.99. But $10.99. I'm going to put a picture. The picture going to be in the thumbnail, y'all. Either that or I'm going to go in there. You know what? I'm going to record. It's going to be at the end of this video. Hopefully they don't catch me. So, yeah. And these are authentic natural hairstyle created with Bobbi Boss Jamaican braid for stringly real finish. Pre-loop crochet. Told y'all that. Natural texture. Remarkably natural look and soft to touch handling. Excellent hot water setting. We didn't do anything with the hot water, but it says you can create beautiful divine curls. And so who's calling me when I said I'm recording? Dang-a-lang it. It comes in a ton of available colors. Y'all might not be able to see it, but it says that this one, all of it is T1B. The 27 inch is T1B 27. The 30 color. 30, T1B 30, T1B 350. Even the 613, which is what I just took out, it says T4. Don't nobody want no black mixed in with their blonde. Bobby! Bobby! I don't want no black mixed in with my blonde. Y'all need to come clean with the 613 and come clean with the 27. Nah. Okay, let me run to the store. I'm going to try to do a video clip. If not, I'll put pictures at the end. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the hair in the hair store. This hair actually turned out to be horrible. It actually matted together really, really bad. I ended up taking this out after a month. Normally I try to go 2 or 3 months with the hair in my head, but maybe it was this brand. Maybe they haven't gotten it down packed yet. But the hair just stuck together. No matter if I use mousse, hairspray, it didn't matter what I use, it stuck together really, really bad. And this is the one that I bought, that you get 3 times the hair for 18 inches. So this is Bobby Boss, but in the Janet it's $10.99 for 18 inches. And I don't know why it's $9.99 for 24 inches. And they do have golden blonde in the Janet. So I could have got the blonde in the Janet, but I would have paid a lot more money because you don't get many in the pack. How many loops are in this pack? 6? Looks like about 6 to 8 loops in that pack. And that is not a lot of money. That's not a lot of hair. That's a lot of money for not a lot of hair.